Hey everyone, so it's my first video on exploring Pune and the first place that I went was Pavna Lake. So basically, to be honest, it's the best weekend escape for like in Pune. As अगर आपको ऐसे markets नहीं जाने हैं and you don't want to go to any crowded place, then this is the best place where you can go. Yeah, weekends में थोड़ा crowd रहता है, but the nature and the view is so awesome that you will definitely feel peaceful. So from my location where I live in, the total distance was almost 30 kilometers. So I live in Marunji. So Marunji से हमें almost 1 hour लगा पावना लेक पहुंचने के लिए. So basically the roads, the road view while traveling is also pretty good. As you could see, like हर तरह आपको mountains या फिर farms या फिर trees ही दिखेंगे. And roads ऐसे busy roads नहीं रहते हैं. Basically we chose evening time. आप चाहें तो सुबह भी जा सकते हैं या फिर evening के around जा सकते हैं. We went around 4:30 to 5 as अभी मार्च में पुणे में बहुत धूप भी हो रहा था. So we thought that evening में sunset ही जाके देखेंगे. सुबह के टाइम भी I guess serene रहता है. If you're like planning to go there and stay for a day or two, then you can enjoy the sunrise there as well. So हमें पहुंचने में 1 hour ही लगा. एंड बेसिकली इवनिंग में जाने से आपको प्रॉब्लम ये रहता है कि आते वक्त आपको लाइक बहुत ही अंधेरे रहेंगे रोड्स, क्योंकि वहाँ पे बिल्कुल भी आप देख सकते हैं वीडियो में कि टोटली स्ट्रीट लाइट्स नहीं है. तो आते वक्त यू हैव टू बी वेरी कॉन्शियस वाइल ड्राइविंग, बिकॉज टोटली वन वे ही रहता है आने जाने का रास्ता. तो आपको आराम से ड्राइव करेंगे तो ज़्यादा कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. बट या if you are like planning to go, then you can go at the evening and maybe you can plan to stay there, because वहाँ पे हमने देखा बहुत सारे टेंट्स भी थे, होटल्स भी थे जो कि like just लेक के साइड में ही थे. So we went there and luckily the sunset was at point. So we went to this cafe, that is Cafe Bamboni, which is the prime cafe there, and it is famous for its lakeside view. Cause उस दिन like crowd तो था ही and almost every tables were booked. So we first enjoyed the sunset, क्योंकि sunset just होने वाला था, हम तभी ही उधर पहुँचे. So then after enjoying the sunset, we went around and had a walk, because it was a park like area. Area बहुत ही बड़ा था, तो आप आराम से वहाँ पे घूम सकते हो. It's not important कि आप कैफ़े ही जाओ, but I guess the cafe has the best view, so इसीलिए maybe everyone goes there first. And the timing, as I said earlier as well, कि पुणे में 5 to 7 is the prime time where the weather is extremely good. And yes, the weather was actually extremely good that day as well. And it's summer, so I guess when in rainy season or winter, it will be more cooler. And then we tried some food in Cafe Bamboni. The food was quite average, not that great, but yeah, it was good. And then it's like evening. Obviously in Pune, like the evening is around 7:30. So we had like tried some of the food there. Like we mostly tried pizza and sandwich and coffees. And then like we were also very much scared because जाते जाते रात हो गया था and रात में बहुत अंधेरा भी था, स्ट्रीट लाइट्स नहीं था. बट वैस हम वापस आ गए. सो आने का रास्ता भी इट्स लाइक 1 hour only. एज यू कुड सी देयर इज़ नो लाइट्स एट ऑल. सो या, इट वॉज अ ग्रेट प्लेस टू एक्सप्लोर. यू कैन जस्ट go there, have some peaceful time, enjoy the sunset, enjoy the view and come back. So stay tuned for the next videos.